Product: Lakachi Diesel Heater. Tired of chilly rides? The Lakachi Diesel Heater is your answer for staying warm. This compact powerhouse gets your vehicle toasty in no time with its quick heat and instant ignition. No more freezing while you wait. Its durable design truly stands out. The high-quality aluminum alloy combustion chamber ensures fast heating, great heat dissipation, almost no carbon buildup, and a long service life. This means super clean combustion always. And it's whisper quiet. Thanks to a silent fan and low-frequency oil pump, you get a peaceful, warm environment. You'll barely notice it's on. With simple, easy controls, comfort is just a touch away. The Lakachi transforms any cold trip into a cozy, comfortable journey. You'll be enjoying warm rides, no matter the temperature. Product: Kienmo Light for Cars. Unleash creativity with the Kienmo Light for Cars, bringing vibrant customization to your windshield. Its ultra-thin, flexible LED panels effortlessly conform to any curved or flat surface. No bulky hardware. Personalize your display with animated patterns, text, or graphics via the free app. No subscriptions required. These high-resolution, full-color LEDs deliver vibrant visibility day and night, rain or fog, remaining energy efficient. Setup is easy, secure with included double-sided tape. Powered via a 14.7-foot USB cable, it's versatile for cars, home, or business. This dynamic screen is perfect for holidays, parties, promotions, and Christmas cheer. It's a fun, easy-to-set-up gift for car enthusiasts. Showcase your unique style. Product: Rich Cat Tire Puncture Repair Kit. Flat tires can totally derail your day, especially on remote adventures. But with the Rich Cat Tire Puncture Repair Kit, those worries are history. This kit is a lifesaver for all tubeless tires. Cars, motorcycles, from Toyota to Harley. No more waiting for roadside help or struggling with a spare. You won't even need to remove the tire. Imagine a quick 10-minute fix. It's true, saving you massive time and energy. Its advanced technology uses mushroom plugs that grab the tire from inside, sealing it like a rivet. This provides a super strong, tight fit, improved and tested for years, preventing air leakage and ensuring safety. Sealing the liner and filling the damaged area, this kit is total peace of mind. Get road ready with Rich Cat and avoid those unexpected breakdowns. Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about a total game changer for your car's finish, Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba. This premium liquid wax kit delivers an incredible deep gloss and luxurious protection, making your vehicle truly stand out. What I love most is the enhanced high gloss formula, giving you those sharp, clear reflections that make your paint pop. It's perfect for all glossy paint types, including clear coats, thanks to its safe and effective Carnauba polymer blend. Plus, the easy application is a dream. With the included soft foam applicator, it glides on and off effortlessly, leaving you with professional-looking results every time. Give your car the luxurious treatment it deserves and experience that brilliant showroom shine. Product: Jinsko Car Trash. Tired of car clutter? Say goodbye with the Jinsko Car Trash. More than a bin, it's a versatile 3-gallon organizer. Perfect for toys or tablets on road trips. It keeps your car pristine for stress-free drives. It's a total game changer. Reinforced walls with sturdy PP boards prevent collapsing. Maintains its perfect shape, floor or hanging. Top stays open for super easy, mess-free disposal. Built to last with tear-resistant 1680D Oxford cloth. PIVA lining prevents moisture, so cleanup is a breeze with a wipe. Elevate your drives for a tidy vehicle. Product: Fantic Cordless Car Vacuum. Tired of a messy car interior? Meet the Fantic Cordless Car Vacuum. This isn't just any vacuum. It's brilliant for detail cleaning, reaching every hard-to-reach corner effortlessly. The Fantic V8 Mate simplifies car cleaning. It's ultra-lightweight, just 1.2 pounds, like a bottle of water, so you can easily operate it with one hand. Cordless freedom means tackling sand, dust, and debris anywhere. It includes versatile accessories, extension tubes and hoses for tight spots, a brush for stubborn dust and crevices, and a multi-surface brush for carpet or pet hair. Its powerful brushless motor provides 30 AW/12 kPa suction, and the low gear gives you 30 minutes of runtime. Remember, it's ideal for car interior details, your desk or keyboard dust, not for large areas. This vacuum makes quick, hassle-free cleaning truly effortless. Product: X-Willing Car Detailing Polishing. Ready to bring back that show-stopping shine to your car? The X-Willing Car Detailing Polishing Machine is your secret weapon for a just-detailed, glossy finish. Its powerful 800-watt motor with 8mm dual-action orbital provides all the power you need. You get 6 variable speeds from 1800 to 4500 RPM, letting you quickly switch between waxing and polishing. This seriously boosts your work efficiency. The ergonomic design is a dream. A rubberized body, adjustable handle, and non-slip grip give comfortable control. Its switch lock vastly reduces fatigue, boosting working time. Plus, the special foam pads, like the orange one for scratches, perfectly hold compound. You'll achieve stunning results and impress everyone with your ride. Honestly, you'll wonder how you ever detailed without it. Product: VI-Air Air Compressor for Car. Introducing the VI-Air Air Compressor for Car, your ultimate portable power solution. Quickly inflate tires whether you're camping, hitting the trails, or just need a quick top-off. This compact, ultra-reliable device ensures you're always on the go ready. The VI-Air 85P is a heavy-duty 12-volt portable tire pump, engineered with a gearless direct-drive motor for peace of mind. It's perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, bikes, and even sports equipment like balls and rafts. Simply plug it into any cigarette lighter, connect to your valve stem, and power it on. It features a built-in pressure gauge, a bright LED work light, and a solid brass twist-on chuck. With a 13-foot reach and a deluxe carry bag for easy storage, you get ultra reliability without fuss. Stay prepared for any journey and never get stranded with low tires again. Product: Amuka Seat Headrest Hook. Hey, want to keep your car tidy? Check out the Amuka Seat Headrest Hook. This accessory is a game changer for organization. Made from premium, thickened plastic, it's super durable. Installation is effortless, truly one hand, no tools or headrest removal needed. It instantly converts your headrest into smart storage, stopping bags from rolling around. Hang groceries, handbags, school bags, umbrellas, even baby supplies. These hooks are wide and deep for all your essentials. They universally fit most cars, SUVs, and trucks, each holding up to 55 pounds. You get 4 in a pack, and they rotate 360 degrees for perfect use. Honestly, it's a must-have for keeping everything organized and your ride clutter-free. Product: K-Nautil Car Trunk. If your car trunk looks like a disaster, you'll love the K-Nautil Car Trunk Organizer. It's a total game changer for keeping things tidy and preventing items from rolling around. Crafted from durable 600D Oxford polyester with reinforced handles, it easily withstands heavy items and will last for years. Its non-slip bottom ensures stability, so nothing slides. The large capacity keeps your car clean and organized. Smartly designed at 19.7 inches by 12.2 inches by 10.2 inches, it features sturdy walls and 2 base plates. You can use one section or expand to both. Plus, there are 5 mesh pockets for various items. It's multi-purpose, great for household storage too, and incredibly easy to install, collapse, and clean. This organizer offers secure transport, making every trip stress-free. It's a must-have for an always neat trunk. Product: Ryzuvo Blade Fuses. Protecting your vehicle's electrical system from unexpected power surges and short circuits is crucial for its longevity. That's where Ryzuvo Blade Fuses are a game changer. These ATC fuses make identification effortless. Amplifier ratings are clearly displayed in white, each current rating distinguished by color, and a clear case allows easy inspection. You'll always have the perfect fit. This kit covers 10 common standard car fuse sizes, from 2A to 35A, with 15 of each. Plus, a convenient puller is included. Crafted from premium materials, Ryzuvo fuses deliver fast, precise protection, safeguarding your vehicle from excessive current. Their wide compatibility for various automotive and RV needs makes them truly DIY-friendly. Keep these on hand to easily prevent costly electrical headaches. Product: Sukitch Hair Remover for Car. Say goodbye to hair and pet fur with the Sukitch Hair Remover for Car. This handy tool is a game changer for a spotless, fresh interior. It's an easy, all-in-one design, tackling seats and trunk with ease, so no multiple tools are needed. Crafted with soft bristles, it's gentle yet super effective, thoroughly removing hair without scratching your upholstery. Your car interior stays pristine. Plus, it's eco-friendly and reusable, cutting down on waste. With its large surface and included small brush, it offers comprehensive cleaning, reaching every nook for a truly hygienic environment. Compact and lightweight, it ensures portable convenience, always ready for quick cleanups on the go. You'll wish you bought it sooner. Product: Tri-One Car Tablet Holder. Tired of boring car rides? The Tri-One Car Tablet Holder is here to turn your vehicle into an awesome entertainment hub. It's a total game changer for family trips and daily commutes. Installation is super easy. Just adjust the telescopic leg between your headrest posts and you're set. You can even install or release your device with one hand in just 2 seconds. This holder features an extendable arm that reaches up to 10.6 inches, perfect for adjusting distance. Plus, it rotates 360 degrees for ideal viewing. When you don't need it, simply fold it back against the seat, saving valuable car space. It's compatible with almost everything: phones, switches, and tablets from 4.7 to 12.9 inches, including iPads, Galaxy Tabs, and more. You'll wonder how you ever traveled without it, keeping everyone entertained and connected on the road. Product: XHYang Car Seat Protector. Tired of messy car seats? The XHYang Car Seat Protector is your solution, designed to keep your vehicle's upholstery pristine and extend its life from wear and tear. It's perfect for parents protecting against messy children and reducing cleanup time. Built with durable 600D Oxford fabric and non-slip PVC reinforced corners, it stays securely in place. The comfortable foam padding makes long trips a breeze. Spilled drinks, food, dirt, or post-workout sweat are no problem. It wipes clean easily with a damp cloth. Its non-slip design ensures stability. For ultimate convenience, 2 handy mesh storage pockets under your baby's feet keep toys, snacks, and bottles organized and accessible. This protector is a total game changer, ensuring your car interior stays new for worry-free adventures. Product: Astro AI Foam Cannon. If you want to transform your car washing, the Astro AI Foam Cannon is incredible. It creates thick, dense foam that just lifts dirt like magic, making cleaning faster and more effective. Filling soap is super easy thanks to its wide mouth. No spills here. The heavy-duty core means that foam stays dense and luxurious. It works with a wide pressure range and is great for multi-surface cleaning, not just your car. Just remember, it uses a 1/4 quick connect plug, so check your pressure washer first. Dilution affects foam, and skip cleaners with wax to avoid clogs. And big heads up, this cannot be used with a garden hose. This foam cannon is truly a game changer for professional quality washes at home. Product: Smosen Safe Hammer. Be prepared. The Smosen Safe Hammer is a total game changer for emergencies. Essential safety gear, you'll wish you had it for peace of mind and protection. Its instant window brake uses a high-pressure spring and sturdy tungsten blade. With 20 kgf impact force, solid glass breaks instantly. The metal tip only springs out when needed, safely. The safe seatbelt cut has a U-shaped hidden stainless steel cutter, preventing hand injuries. Just align the U-shaped mouth, push swiftly, and escape quickly. Upgraded anti-slip grip with 8 silicone devices for comfort. This 3.6-inch tool is lightweight, powerful. Quick escape ready, always. Product: Gishope Car LED Strip Lights. Ready to transform your car's interior? Check out the Gishope Car LED Strip Lights. These are a fantastic upgrade. You get complete customization right at your fingertips with easy app control or the RF remote. Imagine millions of colors and 29 dynamic modes, plus an intuitive DIY option to match any scene or mood, even for holidays. What's super cool is the music sync. With a built-in sensitive microphone, your lights dance to your music, flashing to the beat, creating an awesome vibe for friends and family. It's USB plug-and-play, DC 5 volts, so it's safer with low heat and no battery damage. Elevate your driving experience and truly personalize your ride with these incredible lights. You'll absolutely love the amazing ambiance. Product: Gyeon Leather Shield. Protecting your car's leather? You need Gyeon Leather Shield. This advanced ceramic coating is a game changer for your vehicle's interior. It applies an invisible layer, actively preventing stains and dye transfer, keeping upholstery looking flawless. Works perfectly on all modern automotive leather, and it's especially great for white Tesla seats, stopping discoloration. It's also a powerful UV protectant, preventing fading and damage from harmful sun rays, truly extending the luxurious life of your interior. The best part? It leaves a completely natural finish and feel. You won't even notice it's there. Plus, it's an easy DIY coating, making top-tier protection simple. Keep your car's interior looking new and luxurious.